guys, welcome back to our channel. It's Sophie. I'm super excited to be back with another makeup tutorial for you guys. Today I'm creating a really soft, natural eye look. So if you guys are interested in seeing how I achieved this super simple, easy makeup look, then just go ahead and keep on watching. And as always, if you guys want to be entered for our monthly giveaway, go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe, turn your post notifications on, and then comment down below if you live in the US, because our giveaway is US only. So jumping right into the tutorial, first thing I'm doing is priming my eyelids with my NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop contouring concealer, and I did set it with some translucent powder afterwards. Next, I'm going into my Coral palette by Shop by Le Boss, and I'm going into this shade right here called Lounging, and I'm just going to be buffing this into my crease. And I really like this palette. This is not sponsored, they just sent it to me, but I am obsessed with it. I use it when I'm not filming super often, and I feel like that's how you know I really like a product, when I use it a lot. Just to go out or go out with friends when I'm not filming. So I absolutely love this palette. I think that it's super wearable. If you're super into warm tones, you will love it. Next, I'm going into this shade right here called Reef with my angled brush, and I'm just going to be applying this into my crease and just kind of focusing this on the outer corner. And I recently uploaded another natural makeup look, but this one is pretty different. I think that I like both of them. We're going to be using similar shades, but the end result is quite different, and I really wanted to do something a little bit natural so that you guys can definitely wear this out. And for a lot of my subscribers that like more natural makeup looks, I definitely want to give you guys options. So that's kind of what inspired me to create this look. Next, I'm going into this small tapered brush, going back into Reef and Lounging and just buffing out that line how I always do. And then I'm going into this angled brush by Anastasia Beverly Hills, and I'm going back into my NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop contouring concealer, and I'm just carving my lid, and I'm going above my natural crease like I did with the line that we drew in our crease before, just to give myself a little bit more lid space. And I do like to start in the center and then work my way to the outer and inner corner. And now I'm just patting some translucent powder over top of that concealer just so that it doesn't budge. That way when I open my eye, I won't have concealer everywhere and I won't ruin all the hard work that I did. So I definitely feel like when you apply this much concealer on your lid, applying some translucent powder is really going to hold everything into place. And then I'm going into my Makeup Forever Starlit Powder number 13. And I'm just applying this all over my lid, and I did wet my brush with some Fix Plus. So next I'm going back into this Reef shade, and I'm going into my small tapered brush, and we're just going to be applying this to the outer edge just to give us some more dimension. And I really love how this color looked with this Makeup Forever Starlit powder. I think that it's absolutely gorgeous, and I really like the dimension that this gave to the look. So I'm just kind of focusing that pigment on that very outer edge and then just feathering inward to blend into that pigment. And then next I'm going into a brand new glitter by Anastasia Beverly Hills. This is called Flower Child, and I did put some glitter glue underneath this, my Too Faced glitter insurance. And then I'm going into my Anastasia of Beverly Hills black liquid liner, and I'm just applying my wing. And for that glitter, I just focused that on the center of my lid. Didn't apply it all over my lid, just the very center. And then for lashes, I'm applying my Shop Sophie Bella Barbados lashes. If you guys want to check out our lashes, the link will always be in the description box down below. And then for our lower lash line, I'm keeping it super simple. I haven't done a bare lower lash line in forever, so I thought that it was really fitting for this look, and I'm really happy that I left it bare because it just kind of gives more attention to the lid. So for my mascara, I applied my Mad Lash Mascara by The Balm, and then for my inner corner, I applied my Pop Beauty highlighter in the shade Gilded Light. And this is the finished look. I really hope that you guys enjoyed watching. If you watched this video to the very end, thank you so much for all of your support. Give this video a big thumbs up if you liked it, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!